Hey there! Have you heard the latest news from NASA? Brace yourself because it's super exciting. NASA just announced that they are on the verge of discovering life on other planets. Can you believe it? We might not be alone in this vast universe after all. Now, I know this might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but NASA is dead serious about it. They have been tirelessly exploring space, sending probes and telescopes to search for signs of life beyond Earth. And guess what? They might just be onto something big. For years, scientists have been fascinated by the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Are there other planets out there where living organisms exist? Could there be aliens roaming around in far-off galaxies? These questions have kept our imaginations running wild, and now NASA might have some answers for us. But how exactly are they planning to make this groundbreaking discovery? Well, NASA has been using a combination of advanced technology, space missions, and years of scientific research to gather evidence. They've been studying the atmospheres of distant planets, looking for chemical signatures that could indicate the presence of life. One of the key factors they are focusing on is the presence of certain gases, like oxygen and methane. On Earth, these gases are closely associated with life, so scientists believe that if they find similar patterns on other planets, it could be a strong indication of living organisms. But let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. While NASA is optimistic about the potential discovery, they also emphasize the importance of thorough investigation and verification. They want to make sure they have all the facts straight before making any grand claims. So, why is this discovery such a big deal? Well, think about it. If we find life on another planet, it would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. It would show us that the conditions necessary for life are not unique to Earth, opening up endless possibilities. We could learn so much about the origins of life, the potential for habitable environments, and even the existence of intelligent beings. Imagine the implications for space exploration. Finding life elsewhere would give us a sense of direction and purpose. It would drive us to explore and understand other worlds, searching for clues about our place in the cosmos. Who knows? We might even make contact with other civilizations someday. Now, it's important to remember that discovering life on other planets is a complex and challenging task. It requires patience, meticulous research, and a lot of scientific collaboration. But NASA is up to the challenge, and they have the brightest minds working on this mind-boggling mission. So, my friend, keep an eye on the news because the next big revelation might be just around the corner. NASA's efforts to find life on other planets are incredibly exciting, and they could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. In the meantime, let's allow our imaginations to soar. Let's dream about the possibilities of otherworldly life, of beings we might one day encounter. After all, the universe is a vast and mysterious place, and who knows what wonders await us out there. Stay tuned for more updates from NASA. The search for extraterrestrial life is heating up, and it's a journey we can all be a part of, even if it's from the comfort of our own planet.